Hi Joaquin.
Hi.
So we're just
Guys, this is the last event of the day. And Joaquin, you are sub 9, right? I believe.
Yes.
Alright, so he's about to get into the first call.
wow. That was
8.27.
that was an amazing solve. Okay,
Oh, wow.
8.27.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, this is your next solve. I believe you're looking at white. Yeah.
Oh
Let's-
my goodness. It's
Oh
fine.
wow. I
Fine.
think your F12 is it's fine. I think your
It's
F12
perfect.
sorry, sub 5. I mean, I think you're the most strong in F12 because your F12 execution is just flawless.
Oh, that's plus 2.23.
You got what?
That's sad.
12 with the plus 2.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, skip.
Oh,
Ah,
skip.
nice.
That's
Okay.
fine. 8.24. Nice.
So, I noticed that you're not color neutral, are you? Because you did all solves with white, right?
Yes. I only do white in solves.
And the
Are
last,
you sponsored by anyone?
No, I'm not sponsored right now.
you
Because
should be.
you should be. You're deadly fast.
Thank you.
Yeah. And also, I noticed that your F12 was in like bunches. So you would pause and then execute a pair really, really fast, and then pause and then execute the next pair really fast. So is that what you try to do, or it just comes like naturally?
I don't know. It's like, as Max Park says, just nothing to solve, and I just solve it. I don't know. It's sometimes the look
Yeah,
ahead helps, and sometimes not.
yeah.
Yeah, and on the last solve, I noticed something very interesting. That like I think you did this so that you could execute your cross faster. Like mostly people saw the cross on the bottom, but you kept the cross like front facing. So, well, in the last solve. So, did you do that so that you could execute it faster?
Or
I
was it like
like
by
I put
mistake?
it like front of me like this and start executing
Yeah.
it like and make I made like an RW prime so
Yeah.
that
Right.
it
That's what I
rotates
noticed.
and
That's
so
what
Yeah,
it
I
yeah.
moves.
noticed.
And
Right.
I think you know full OLL, right?
Yes.
Any ZBLL, Alex? ZBLL,
Uh,
COLL?
just a little like 10 because
Oh,
it's I'm focusing more on 2x2 and pyramids right now.
okay, right, right, right.
Okay.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Fine, and so that's all for today, guys. We're
Uh,
done with streaming 3x3 finals. We'll
and
send out the results in some time.
that's the end of SpeedCubeing Mania 2. And thank you so much, Joaquin.
Thank you're welcome and thank you too.
Yeah.
Yeah.